Wanna go to Ronnie's? Wanna go to Ronnie's? Huh? Ronnie's? Yeah? 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 Welcome back to the shop. What the hell is he doing in this thing? Well, you'll notice there's a Dodge in here. It's my baby brother's new mud truck. Yep. And I think we're gonna start putting roll cage in tonight. Actually, really good floor. Damn shame we gotta cut holes in it. Stay tuned. That'll be good. Almost got most of the Bondo off. Quite a bit there. Oh, you little shit. In or out? Yeah, see how this goes. I have a pretty good idea where I want this C-pillar, main hoop, to end up at. I'm gonna take this fish plate and put it all around it. Oh man, everything's dirty. Just need a reference line. I don't draw on the surface very well. Man, I don't draw at all, as a matter of fact. I'm gonna switch to a Sharpie. Try this again. That kind of works. Kind of have a line. I'm just gonna cut a square out on the inside of the line. That way the fish plate still has somewhere to weld it. Burned up my blade. And probably more. What the hell has he got that in? A body support panel. It is, of course. Ain't got no blade left. What's wrong?
Unnecessary holes.
It's just 2 holes in the roof. It's fine. It's a mud truck. It's not a drag car. Hey, I had that perfect.
Yeah, sure.
I did. It's going good. Oh, now it's all crooked. You screwed it all up. Now you gotta
restart.
No. Outriggers. You gotta cut outriggers. Down to the frame. Go to the top of the frame. Weld her in. Put a gusset in from the bottom up. Yep. Work out just fine. Yep. Actually, we'll tack everything. And fit the halo in. Excuse me. Yep. What are you doing?
Take those out.
Oh yeah. Good idea. Get him, Doug.
Where's the grinder?
There.
Oh.
You know where I'm talking?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just all up and down there.
Okay.
All up and down there. Up here.
Oh.
It's fine. Right here, down there. Yep. Trust the process. Got it?
Yeah.
Do the other side. What did you get into? You stink. Oh, you got something gross on. Brr. I don't know what you got into, but it stinks. Ooh, smells like the bait we use for trapping. That might be what it is. I hope not. We got this bar tacked in. Come from the factory. Very twisted. You can actually kind of see it in the camera. That drives me nuts. And then some of these bars don't look right. It's kind of strange. The C-pillar bars they're long. I remember mine weren't nearly that long. I don't know why the hell these are so long, but we'll figure it out. I suppose we could cut them down. Have extra pipe. Yep. We're doing this first all possible. Let's do one more hole.
That's fine.
This line, right?
Yes. I have no idea. Sounds good. Just get right in there on the action.
Well, might have just lost the drill, boys. Get out of here.
Oh, that the drill that just hit me right in the ear hole. Oh, it's stuck in there. That's convenient. Here it is on the back.
Oh, now it's fine.
Put her in go mode.
Oh, that's why.
Video on your unit.
There. Come on, baby. Okay. One more.
That's gonna hurt.
You're almost there.
Perfect.
Peekaboo.
Perfect hole patching material. Got the main hoop set. Got her straightened out. Got the C-pillar in. Everything just tacked in. About to put in the halo. Would you just look at that notch? Man. Look at it's better than that. I was done with the grinder cutoff wheel, by the way. You ready, Kyle? I'm gonna show you how not to do this. Like it there?
Yeah.
It stayed. Now.
Hey, don't touch it.
Oh, that thing's about perfect. Hell yeah. Almost like we know what we're doing. We definitely do not. Just spent the last hour and a half putting that one A-pillar in. I got it. Had to rebend the tube. I use a different one. Those don't. Oh, yep. Cord in the way. These have bent at 45 is too much bend. It needs to be at like a 40, 38. So I remade one. I just gotta do the other side. My face is burnt. Got the other pillar in. Kyle, order more tube. Because we're refabricating this whole roll cage that was pre-bent. Because it ain't right. But that's okay. Now they're going over transmission and gearing stuff. From possibly the smartest man alive for racing. No. Kevin Justice. He's a man. Kyle's new dad. That makes him my new dad. Yeah, I'm on pretty good. It looks way better than our roll cages so far.
No, mine's done.
Good point. It is done. Yeah. Duck. One's a little big for you, isn't it? Yeah, well, that'll be the end of this episode. For now. So, take care. Be sure to subscribe. For the love of God, please subscribe.